All right, watch, follow along. I know some of this information, you're a little bit past it, but I know some people were absent yesterday, so that's why I'm going over these things. So you should have a paper that looks like this. If you were absent, you have a blank paper. There is a video on Google Classroom that you can get on to follow the steps to get the grid to look like this, a 1-inch grid. If you're having trouble, we'll help you out here in a minute. Me, the people at your table, so that way you can get going, okay? Now, you have a reference picture that goes with this. And this is gonna match this. So, I tell people all the time, as you draw, you wanna get into the habit on these grid drawings to draw one square at a time, because what I always see is that people just look at a line and they don't even pay attention to the boundaries of each square, but they just kind of go through here and draw these lines really fast. So this is like the first grid drawing we're gonna do, but in total this year, we're probably gonna do like 4 grid drawings total. So, este papel, aquí lo tenemos ya hecho, pero si ustedes no estaban aquí ayer, hay un video en Google Classroom que pueden seguir para seguir los pasos para tener su papel así como este, porque así lo necesitan. Y luego lo que estoy diciendo es que necesitan ponerse en el hábito de cuando hagamos estos dibujos de cuadrícula, que dibujen un cuadro a la vez. Y luego lo que he mirado es que personas no le ponen atención a las líneas de los cuadros y nomás empiezan a dibujar lo que ven rápido sin ponerle cuidado a los cuadros. Solo la clave es dibujando uno a la vez. Y yo siempre digo, ya cuando los dibujo, los marco, así para saber más o menos en qué parte del retrato voy. And as I'm drawing, I like to mark out, my squares that I've done. That way I can see what I've drawn and what I still need. So this is yours, so do that. It should really help you out a lot if you do that. All right. So like I said, I'm drawing on here in marker, but what you need to do is you need to make sure you draw super light in pencil. And then I just wanted to show you some of the examples of how you're gonna add color, because according to the agenda, we're gonna work on these today and tomorrow. Solo ya que le enseñé lo del dibujo, ahora te quiero enseñar cómo ponerle color. Y recuerda que en estos árboles vamos a trabajar hoy y mañana. So, here's the first example. First example is very basic positive, negative space colors. So the tree, which is the positive space, is red. The green, all the rest of the background, negative space, I colored green. So that's one example. Another example of how you could add color is a checkerboard pattern. Well, some people do this.
It's cold.
The only thing is that in between your square, your tree and your background, like these squares right here where you have part of the tree, then they would alternate and switch over to the opposite pattern so you can actually see the tree. And then I have a couple more examples that are really good. There's that one there. There's that one there. And the last one I want to show you is this one that's done in pen. So, the main thing I can remind you is, this might seem like a very basic, simple tree drawing, but no matter what we do in class, always try to do the best you can, because we're always looking for stuff to, show off of the things that we do in class, either in the cabinets, in the display case, or in our student art show at the end of the year, okay? Y aunque este dibujo se mire muy fácil, nomás recuerden que cualquier cosa que hagamos aquí traten de hacerlo mejor, porque siempre estamos tratando de buscar formas de enseñar su trabajo, sea en los gabinetes, enseñándolo para afuera, o al fin de año en el show de arte que tenemos. Solo, sea como sea que lo vayan a pintar o a poner color, piensen de eso. Trata de hacerlo lo más interesante, lo más suave que lo puedes hacer, lo mejor que puedas para usarlos para esas cosas, ¿ok? All right.